In this video, I'll show you how you can add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. Now what you want to do first is go to admin.shopify.com, head over to settings, then you want to head over to payments, and once you're under payments, what you want to do is you want to complete your account setup. So what you want to do is click complete account setup and make sure you complete all 3 of these. Once you've done that, there should now be a manage button up here, and you can click on manage and then you can select it. Now if that still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and press add payment method, and then you want to search for Apple Pay if it's in there. Now keep in mind it depends on your region. For some people the wallet will not be in there, but you should be able to see it either up on manage here or under add payment method. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.